Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Aquarius. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love. Sa inyong Tagalog, love reading na Mismo. So, ang gagawin natin today ay ang yung weekly reading para sa March 9 to 15. Okay. So, habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aquarius na sumusuporta sa akin channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. At sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po ang aking channel by subscribing and by um, liking the video. Like nyo na po para mag-grow yung channel ko. Para makagawa pa ako ng marami pang love reading para sa inyo sa mga susunod na araw. Uh, para matulungan nyo na rin ako na ma-improve itong setup ko. Okay? So, thank you. Alright. Sige. So, ang gagawin natin is bubunot ako ng 7 cards. Okay. The 7th card also for the 7 days. Okay. So, simulan na natin. The Chariot. 6 of Swords. Ace of Cups. Oh, 3 of Swords. King of Cups. Queen of Wands. Last, 10 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, 4 of Swords. It's a time of healing and recovery. Okay, so there's a strong energy of Cancer. Okay? So pwedeng yun yung sign ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Yun na yung strongest energy ng sign na nasasagap sa reading na ito. Okay, so at the moment, okay, so the Chariot and 6 of Swords. So someone is um okay, nasa journey of healing. Okay? And it's a you know I think na you're in a journey of healing from your person. I can sense here na um, there was a separation between you and your person. Okay? Pero mahal na mahal mo siya. However, um, andito ko sa point ngayon na you chose and you decided to just move on and heal. Okay? As shown here by the Six of Swords, which is moving on, and Chariot is really moving forward when it comes to the love that caused pain and heartache and heartbreak sa'yo. Shown here by the Ace of Cups and Three of Swords. Okay? Um, and sa part mo, okay, there's someone better coming. Okay? So you just keep manifesting kasi uh, there's someone that will come into your life na mas emotionally stable, mas secure, mas loyal, mas magkakaroon kayo ng deeper connection, di ba? Mas, and itong tao na to is more on the secure attachment, and secure siya in all aspects, hindi lang sa emosyon, di ba? But secure din siya sa lahat, sa kanyang personality, alam niya kung anong gusto niya, alam niya yung mga boundaries niya, financially secure din siya. Okay? So, yeah. And this new connection is leading, parang mas magiging long term dito. Diba? As shown here by the Ten of Pentacles, which is a card of abundance, settling down, and this is something unexpected. Kasi nga from this moving and healing journey mo, moving forward, moving on and healing journey mo, diba? Bilang unexpectedly na may darating na would would align dun sa minimanifest mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung detalye pa. And habang binabalas ko ito, gusto kong i-remind ng lahat that this is a collective reading. So, it may or may not resonate sa inyo. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig sabihin lang, hindi ka nasagap yung energy ninyo. Okay? So, kung hindi ka nasagap, ipangan nyo na rin yung susunod ko pang love reading. Okay, kaya better na mag-subscribe kayo para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang reading sa mga susunod na araw. Or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na pinost ko, baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? See you. Seven of Wands. Nine of Wands. The Magician. Knight of Swords. The Fool. And Ten of Wands. Okay. Automated deck, Five of Cups. Yeah. Yun nga, I mean, yung past relationship, something that you just really have to fully heal from. Kailangan mo talaga mag-move on. Yeah, mahal mo siya. And seen here naman with the Seven of Wands is, yeah, you're really healing and you're overcoming this past relationship. Okay? And yung very resilient ka naman, you will also, ito similar energy na to endure any challenge. And when it comes to new love, I mean, minamanifest mo rin naman siya. Kaya nga, kahit parang feeling mo unexpected siya, you're manifesting new love, you're manifesting a more secure love, di ba? Something better, you're manifesting something better compared to the past relationship that you had. Okay, kaya nakikita dito, something is really coming to your life and it's moving towards you already. Yung energy ba? May paparating na new energy, and the Fool is a card of new beginning, and this is the new person coming into your life na more secure and will provide you nga yung long-term commitment na hinahanap mo. However, it's your responsibility naman din to um, to fully heal. Kasi kahit dumating tong person na to na minanifest mo, kung hindi ka pa fully healed or hindi ka pa totally nakapag-move on, mahihirapan ka. Mahihirapan ka kasi parang hindi ka magiging fully committed din. Parang hindi ka ready. to embrace this new love, this new person, sayang naman, di ba? Kailangan lagi kang ready. Ah, kasi kung hindi ka handa, di ba, baka ma-miss mo rin yung opportunity o something na minanifest mo pa, di ba? Mag-manifest ka, dumating, pero hindi ka handa, di ba? So, sayang naman, di ba? Sayang naman. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano yung advice ni Universe sa inyo when it comes to this connection. Lalo na sa new love darating. See? Let's see. What's the universe? Okay. Beginnings! Oh, di ba? Kasasabi ko lang. Oh, beginnings. So, there's a new beginning. May bagong simula when it comes to love. So, leave the past behind. Tama na yun. Tapos na yun. Move on ka na. Mag-move on ka na para mag-heal ka fully. Kasi nga, kapag fully healed ka, mas ready ka, mas may embrace mo yung new love and the new beginning when it comes to your love life. Okay? Ayan. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Miss Tito Moreno. Or in short, Miss Mo. Kita kits. Ingat.